For many people, the idea of attending therapy can be daunting, and you may be wondering what to expect. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the process of your first therapy session and providing you tips on how to get the most out of it. Hi, I'm AC Hatto, a licensed clinical health psychologist, and I make mental health education videos. Going to therapy can be an overwhelming experience, especially if you've never been there before. But rest assured, it's a brave and positive step towards taking care of your mental health. By the end of this video, you should have a good idea of what to expect and feel more comfortable going into your first therapy session. The first thing you should know is that the initial session will mostly be about getting to know you better, and it's also a great opportunity to know your therapist. The therapist will likely ask you questions about your background, your current situation, and what brought you to therapy. It's important to be honest and open during this time. There's no wrong answer in therapy, and the best answer is always an honest answer. You don't need to have all the answers, but the more information you provide, the better your therapist can understand your situation and provide treatment that is tailored to your individual needs. Your therapist may also ask about your goals for therapy. That means that they may want to know what you hope to accomplish at the end of each therapy session. This will help guide the course of your treatment and ensure that you are both on the same page. One of the key things your therapist may talk about is confidentiality. They will explain that everything you say in session is confidential, except in certain situations where this clause might be breached. An example of such a situation would be in a case where you pose danger to yourself or others. The issue of confidentiality is a very important conversation to have. This helps you feel more safe and comfortable sharing your thoughts and feelings. The therapist may also go over the logistics of therapy, such as how often you meet and how long the sessions will be. Sometimes they may discuss what you can expect to pay at the end of your sessions. It's also important to ask any questions you may have at this time. This will help you have a clear understanding of what to expect during the course of your therapy. Another thing to keep in mind is that therapy is actually a collaborative process. The therapist is there to guide and support you, but you also have a role to play. So it's important to be honest about what's not working for you and what's working for you. If you feel uncomfortable or something isn't resonating with you, go ahead and speak out. Another very important thing is to keep an open mind. Therapy can be challenging at times, and it may take some time to see progress. By being committed and open to the process, you can make great improvements in your mental health recovery. Finally, it's important to remember that therapy is a judgment-free zone. Your therapist is there to support you and help you navigate the challenges of daily living. You don't need to have everything figured out, and it's okay not to have all the answers at the time. Therapy is a safe space where you can explore your thoughts and feelings without any fear or any form of judgment. That will be all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more educative videos on mental health. Let's journey together to create awareness on mental health and break the stigma surrounding it. Until next time, I wish you a great day. Bye.